Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Valorant on your PC or laptop. So if you want to play this game Valorant on your laptop or PC, it's really easy. So the very first thing is that you can download the Epic game, right? And you can also do it from the web browser. So I will just show you the two methods. So right now we are in Google and here you can just write download Valorant, right? And hit it the enter bar. Now here you will get this official website of Valorant, and once you go and click on here you will get this option to download here, or you can just go and click on play now and you will be redirected to same account, right? So here it will ask you to make an account here. So if I just go and click on download here, you can see that my setup is getting download. So if you're not using Epic Games, as you know that most of the games is all the games is available on Steam. Where is Steam is here and Epic is here, but Valorant is only available on Epic. So here you have to go here and here you can just search for Valorant, right? Right, and here when I search for Valorant, the game will be available right now. And as you can see here, it is here. So I will advise you just go and download it from the Epic Games because it's become more easy for me. And here you have to go and click on add to library. I've already added, and library is here. In the library, all the games which I've added will be shown here. So just go and click on add to library and here it will available. Now, as you can see here, I have not installed, that's why it's not showing me install or play option. So here you can just go and click on install. So if I just go and click on install, it will ask me on which drive I want to install it. So of course I have 2 3 drives available on my laptop PC here, and I can select whether I want to install it volume A. So I'll just go and click on select folder and click on install here. Here it will show you that this is the download size, right, and the required storage, right? So here it will just create a update here, a setup here, and it will get automatically downloaded. It's very real easy. You have to just go and click on install and you have to wait. The size is around 30 GB. So once it get downloaded, right, so I will show you, right, and I will click on install. Right now here you can see it is installing here, and in the download section here it's installing, right? And here once get installed, I will able to play this game. So this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.